Welcome to Beehiiv. In this video, I will show you what is the difference between deleting or unsubscribing subscribers. So, once you are on the homepage, on the left side here, select Audience and go to Subscribers. Here you can see the list of all subscribers. If you want to delete or unsubscribe from any one of them, then click on Email. On the top right here, you have the options to delete or unsubscribe. So press Unsubscribe. Once again, click on the Unsubscribe button. And on the top right here, you can see that the subscriber successfully unsubscribed, but it is still on the list. If you want to delete it permanently, then once again, go here and click on Delete. Once again, click on the Delete button to permanently delete the subscriber. And subscriber successfully deleted and removed from the list. If you want to try Beehiiv for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.